guys, so I'm doing a video, and this is the title, obviously. Let's hope you guys can hear me correct and nice. Okay, yeah, I might hear it, guys. Okay. It's not about my phone, but I'll show you something, guys. Trying to find it. Okay. This audio sucks. But yeah, just go with it, guys. Bear with me. Whoa. Guys, look. Yay.
I hate them too.
It's a suicide. But who cares? I don't care about that suicide. Oh! Okay, I'm gonna stop throwing my phone. I'm abusing it. Even though it has a screen protector and a good case, it can still get scratched over here and stuff. This is protected though, so that's good. Yay! Hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna show you a glitch. It's about, holding spacebar on a YouTube video, so, youtube.com. Let's hope they didn't remove the glitch. I mean, to be honest, it's kinda cool. My LADs, though. Okay, it's loading. Okay, back to the video. I'm gonna show you guys, if you hold down spacebar on a YouTube video, it's not get copyrighted. Let's just watch my video, and let's see what happens if I hold down spacebar. Sure, let's watch this. Okay, that's cringy. So if I hold down spacebar, does the sword glitch or it does it slowly? Ow, my ears. You guys can see there's the pausing and applauding symbol. Okay, now it's very staticky because I keep on like holding down, just like slowly. You guys will get the point if you do this if you're watching on a computer. It's like frame per second plus frame for. It's like I'm talking to myself. Okay, so I'm gonna stop doing that. Okay, so we're gonna be playing a Roblox game. We're going to be playing a Roblox game. I really wanted to play this game when I was playing on my phone because I didn't have my computer. So, where's the game? That song, that right there. Yes. Okay. Okay, let's play. I'm creeped out right now. Just gonna wait for it to start. I have to put on full screen. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Now run. No, I'm not gonna leave the game. I'm gonna full screen it. Doodle. Just kidding. Can I idiot? Oh, I can't edit it unless I pause the video. I'm gonna pause the video, okay, guys. So now you can see my full screen. Obviously, play is DF. Oh shoot! I know. Oh, I get it, okay. Put 4 fingers, I don't know. Do you think I'm gonna use these 4 fingers? Hell yeah. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna do this. I'm just gonna cheat. Okay, I'm not skilled at this. Okay, I'm bad at this game. Okay, I'm just gonna cheat. Just do this. Hell, oh boy. Okay, I'm starting a bit. Oh, my hands. I keep on pressing caps lock. You know, I'm so bad. I'm gonna leave the game. You know what? Fine. Oh, okay. I finished one. Okay. I'll leave the game and play Suicide, guys. I'm good at Suicide, guys. 6:30 right now. It's been 7 minutes. No, I think I have time to play Suicide. Okay, I have time to play Suicide. There. Die from my mouse, guys. I feel the pressure from you guys. Just kidding. Yeah, yay. Is it free for all? I think it's free. Oh. Whoa, you sniper. I see you. I see you. I see you, sniper. I see you, sniper. Good job. They're gonna take down my building. Okay, yes, I indeed am a slow shooter. Who cares? I mean, slow builder. I'm still learning. Don't worry about it. I'm kind of good at shooting, to be honest. Not lying. Not lying, guys. Not lying. So, if people come from there. Smart. Yeah, I'm a smart person. No. The spawns are broke. Yes. Oh, yeah. No. No, thank you. We don't want that happening. Of typed out of nowhere. Mister. No. Nope. No. Yo, that's not cool. Sniping out of nowhere? What the fuck? And you don't even know where you're sniping from, dude. Oh, shoot. Oh my god. The spot's still broke. Piece of shh. Okay, no. It's PG, guys. PG. Thank God for the kids. Just kidding. Never kill ourselves. Just kidding. Okay. I just shoot it. Okay, I'm so dumb. Since bored Fortnite and it won't let me, I just use Juicid. Phone, so that's good. What? This ground level though, what? I don't like this ground level. I don't like this. Ground level, hate it. Oh whoa, I just went through. You said you suck. It's a good. It's like Fortnite. But there's a big of Fortnite and this. Cause if you don't play Fortnite and you play this game, but the shooting and stuff and the building, yes, obviously it will be the same. Because of sensitivity. Oh yeah, dude. Let me... Yeet! Yeet! Oh, fudge! Oh, fudge! Oh no. Oh no. Where is he? Oh! Take fall damage, dude. Where is he? Where is he? Dude! What the f... Sorry, get your rape. God! This ground level, though. I hate you. Just kidding. Spawn. Horrible, dude. That is horrible. Yes, I'm a slow and steady worker, dude. Dudes. And girls. Girls. Gals. Okay, yeah. It's still hot. Hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah. Die. Fucking die. Hey, bitch, get out of here. Windows. Windows. Okay, I'll stop. That's good, because I'm ugly. Just kidding. Looks like I'm gonna have to get a high ground, huh? Oh! Oh, whoa. Really bad. Yeet. Yo! Yo, I could've got him. Yo. Okay, it's fine. Oh, just build a trap here. Fine with me, but I'm gonna build a trap here. So whoever comes here, okay. God, who did that? Who did that? Oh my god, it's so horrible. Just kidding. Oh, I'm gonna go up here and destroy. Perfect. We got a sniper onto us. Oh, not a sniper, but a bed. You know what? I'm gonna bring out that pump. Just kidding. It's not like a pump. It's not loud. Yeah, it's not really loud. Okay. I'm sorry for ear ripping you guys, but it doesn't sound... Whoa. What is that going down there? Like multi-window shooting? Oh my god! Sleep, dude! Sleep! Oh no. I need to build high ground, but enough high ground where... yeah, lag is real, yes. Go to sleep and kill yourself. Yo! Stop, okay? Stop. I know, I want to kill me. But no, dude, sorry. Sorry. Sorry, no, sorry. But you can't count to... Yeah. Oh! You know that boy got that shoot, though. He never saw me. I don't know how he never... Oh. Shoot, we got another man. We got another man on his sleeve. Oh, shoot, they never knew? Oh, no, the 30 wood left. Okay, guys, Okay, so guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Like it, subscribe, and share, and yeah. Bye, guys. Peace. Right before the recording. Okay, bye, guys.